Hi all, recently I've been using this bread maker that I got off Amazon and it is fantastic. I love everything I've been making and eating. I've had everyone else I've been feeding it to say they love it as well. So many compliments, and I am not a cook, I am not a baker, and I have had wonders with this. So whether you are a chef and cook all the time, maybe you make bread all the time, this will definitely make it easier. And if this is something you just want to do and that you're new to it, I promise this is great for you as well. It is easy to use, has great instructions, and even the directions have recipes for you in here. So whether you have recipes of your own or you want some ideas, it will provide them for you. It is obviously very sleek. You can see the design, stainless steel. I love that. So it looks nice when I'm sitting it on my countertops, and it makes it really easy to clean too. Super sturdy material, and I love that. Comes with a cute oven mitt, always a fun little bonus because things do get hot in here. Obviously you are cooking bread. And then you have a lot of different options. So it sits like this, but it opens up at the top. And then this is where you put your ingredients into. These are the parts that get hot. You would want to wait for them to cool down before you cook it, or before you clean it, sorry. It closes like this. It would just sit here, but I'm gonna show you the touch screen. So this is your screen here. You have the on-off button. I'll plug it in just a second. You have your menu, and this is your menu right here. You have 17-in-1 options. So anywhere from soft bread, sweet bread, natural sourdough, a French, a whole wheat, quick bread, sugar-free, multigrain, milky loaf, cake, raw dough, leaven dough, jam, bake, yogurt, gluten-free or fermented. Those are your 17 options to choose from, so you can clearly make like anything you want in here. I made pizza dough the other day and had a fantastic homemade pizza with it. But you would click through the menu to get those items here. There's Loaf for the different weights. So 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or 2 pound. It also gives it in grams if you wanted it that way, depending on how much you're making. And then color. So do you like it lighter, medium, or dark? And you can let it know. So it'll set the time for you based on what item you're choosing, the loaf size you're doing, and how you like it. So you don't even have to put the thought into that. If you are using a specific recipe and you think you know the time, you can always add or subtract time manually with this plus and minus button. And then down here is your start, stop, pause. And to get it going, you simply just have to plug it in, which I will do now. You'll hear it turn on. So I have the screen already on. It says 3 hours, 11 minutes. It's currently set to menu item 1. You can see it there, which is soft bread. It's on the 75 grams or 750 grams, 1.5 pounds. And then it's medium. So you can see all those options on here. And as you would click around is when it changes, and then you just start it. Overall, it's pretty quiet. You can see the sound it's making right now. Obviously, bread cooks over a while, so you'll have it going. So it's nice to know that it is quieter while it's going in the kitchen while you're doing other things. I have had great success with this. Like I said, I am not a baker, and it's been so easy for me to use. And I've also had so much fun trying new things. Would definitely recommend this product. Not only is it well made, but you get great results from it. I have had a great time, and I know you would too. It also makes a fantastic gift if that is what you're using it for. I know anyone would be happy with this product, especially like a wedding gift, bridal shower coming up. This is an awesome, unique gift for that.